Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can fix lag or remove lag in Roblox. So as you can see right now, I'm running at about 60 FPS. I will show you how you can uncap this. So we just want to exit out of Roblox. And here in Google, I want you to search Roblox FPS Unlocker. And you should get this link, GitHub releases. Click this first link. Okay, from here we want to select the zip file, this one. And it's going to download. Now, just find the folder where it was downloaded. I'm going to create a new folder, call it FPS Unlocker. And I'm simply going to extract this file here, simply just move it there and extract. Okay, so you should get this file right here, Roblox FPS Unlocker. Now we want to click on this file. And boom, it should be officially installed. Now how can we check if it's actually here or not? If we press on this drop down menu or drop up menu right here, you should have it Roblox FPS Unlocker. So right click on it and then make sure this is checked. Unlock Roblox player as well as the FPS cap. Make sure it's set to none so you can get as many FPS as humanly possible. Okay, so now if I try to run a game, I can close out of this. If I press Shift plus F5, as you can see, now we are running at 200 FPS instead of 60. So thank you for watching. I hope this helped you out. Leave a like and subscribe if it did. I will see you next time. Goodbye.